Hi friends, we have around 5,000 all these. So I want to share with you in coming videos. So what is data science? Also lists the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. This is very common question. Data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. How is this different from that? What statisticians have been doing for years? The answer lies I have created a table. I will show it. The difference between supervised and unsupervised learning is in input data. In supervised learning, it is labeled, and in unsupervised learning, it is unlabeled. And in supervised learning, uses training data set. In unsupervised learning, it uses input data set. In supervised learning, we use for prediction and unsupervised use for analysis. And supervised learning enables classification and regression. Unsupervised learning enables classification, density estimation, and dimension reduction. Coming to second question, what are the important skills to have in Python with regard to data analysis? This is very common question. So the following are some of the important skills to possess which will come handy when performing data analysis using Python. So we need good understanding of built-in data type, especially lists, dictionaries, tuples, and sets. And we have many more. We have to learn all those inbuilt data types, and then mastery of n-dimensional NumPy arrays. So those that means we are using matrices and all, and also pandas data frames to perform all the transformations, and then ability to perform element-wise vector and matrix operation on NumPy arrays. Already I told. Next one is knowing what that you should use the Anaconda distribution and the Anaconda package manager. What are all the packages there in Anaconda? We have to know, because we have to import all those libraries to use in data science using Python language. And also we have to be very familiar with SciPy. So scientific learn for working in data science, SciPy also important. So ability to write efficient list compressions listed of additional for loops, and also ability to write small clean functions that should be understandable and preferably pure functions that don't alter objects, and knowing how to profile the performance of a Python script and how to optimize bottlenecks. The next one is, what do you understand by linear regression? Linear regression helps in understanding the linear relationship between the independent and the dependent variables. Linear regression is a supervised learning algorithm which helps in finding the linear relationship between two variables. One is the predictor or the independent variable, and the other is the response or the dependent variable. In linear regression, we try to understand how the dependent variable changes with respect to independent variable. If there is more than one independent variable, then it is called simple linear regression. And if there is more than one independent variable, then it is known as multiple linear regression. That's all. Next, how will you calculate the sensitivity of machine learning models? In machine learning, sensitivity is used for validating the accuracy of the classifier, such as logistic, random forest, and SVM, support vector measure. It is also known as recall or true positive rate. Sensitive can be identified as the ratio of predicted true events and total events. So sensitivity equal to true positive in actual dependent variable. Today's final question is, please explain eigenvectors and eigenvalues. So eigenvectors helps in understanding linear transformations. They are calculated typically for a correlation or covariance matrix in data analysis. In other words, eigenvectors are those directions along which some particular linear transformation acts by compressing, flipping, or stretching. Eigenvalues can be understood either as the strength of the transformation in the direction of the eigenvectors or the factors by which the compression happens. That is end of today's questions. So please thank you, friends. Thank you, friends.